Hey everybody.
Hello, I'm Kim.
And I'm Erin, and we are K&E RVTV. If you are new to our channel, welcome.
Hello.
So today we're just gonna hang out at home. We do live in our RV full time, and we are currently work camping in New Hampshire. And tonight we're hanging outside. Kim's making us a fire. I'm making us some dinner, so we wanted to bring you along with us.
What are you making us?
We're having some burgers on the Blackstone with some sauteed onions and mushrooms, a little bacon, and then we're gonna throw that on top of a salad.
No bread.
So we're having cheeseburger salad today.
Cheeseburger salad.
Still really good. It's something I've made before. It's delicious. So yeah.
It is a beautiful night. It's in the 60s right now. Gorgeous. So I got a nice fire going. So come hang out with us.
Yeah, let's do it.
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV. K&E RVTV. Sing it with us.
RVTV.
Look at this cute fire Kim's got going.
Oh, look at our beautiful stone fire pit built into the ground. I don't know what you call it.
We love it.
But I like it.
It's actually our second time making a fire in this backyard.
Yeah, there was a lot of leaves and pine needles and stuff that was there for the past 6 months while this place was closed. So I had to burn all that out of here to make it all pretty.
So now this is our first fire we're enjoying.
Yes, first big fire.
Start off with some charred wood already. That's why it looks like it's.
Oh, it's like it looks black. We get the leftover wood from the campers
after they leave.
After they leave.
Works out great.
For free.
I'm gonna go start cooking some bacon.
Bacon? We get bacon. And look, we made this today for free. We found some scrap 2x4s and a cinder block, and it's a homemade firewood thing.
This bacon smells so good.
Oh,
it's maple bacon.
Yeah. You're making everybody jealous, I know. And you're making the dogs go crazy too.
Cody is drooling over here.
Give me the bacon.
Be careful, Cody.
Yeah, he
don't knock the table over.
Right there.
Oh no.
No. Come on, let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk. So I finished off the bacon, and now we're gonna toss on some baby portobello mushrooms and some onions. Oh yeah, baby. So I wanted to cook the onions and the mushrooms after I cooked the bacon, so I could saute them all up in that bacon grease, give it some extra flavor. Didn't use any butter or oil, just the bacon grease. Yum.
Say hi, Cody. Say hi, baby. You having fun out here in your bed? We are in the process of getting all the leaves out of here. So we do have giant piles of leaves around. Don't judge.
They're neat piles though.
Huh?
They're nice neat piles.
They're nice neat piles. We just gotta sweep them up. Zachary's barking.
And we don't have a rake, so we did it.
We don't have a rake.
So,
yeah. We're good with a broom.
Cheers.
Oh, we got all the good smells going on here tonight.
These are just about done.
That's like yummy. This is Lucy.
It's burger time.
We were thinking about doing a... Oh, hello, you escaped, Zachary. We were thinking of maybe doing another RV tour video for y'all. We haven't done one of those in a really long time. If y'all are interested in really seeing the inside and how we live and everything like that.
And we do have quite a few new subscribers. So, hi.
Hello.
If you're new. And we thought maybe we'd talk a little bit about ourselves tonight. Just kind of for anybody new, or maybe people who have been hanging out with us for a while don't know. So we'll just update you. Cody, get away from the table.
Nope.
He wants the beef, the bacon, all the things. So for the burgers, I just did a little salt and pepper on each side. Nothing too crazy since we're going to put it in the salad. I will melt some cheese on top too and chop them up so they can go on our salad. Well, we are doing the sauteed mushroom and onions. It's kind of fun. It's more fun than just a regular salad in my opinion. And it's low sugar and low carbs. We're trying to, cinch a little bit. So we're leaving the bread out and the french fries out and all the stuff we would normally love to indulge in. But it's gonna be good.
I hope so. I know so.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Alrighty, if you are new here, Kim and I do live together in an RV. We've been full-time living in our RV for almost 3 years. It'll be 3 years in October.
October, yeah.
I'm jumping quite a bit. I'm an exaggerator. But we've been best friends for like 20 plus years. We're basically like sisters now. Our families are combined. We fight like sisters, you know. Nobody can make me angry like she can, but...
But she'll fight someone for me.
Exactly, 100%. But yeah, and we do have our 2 dogs, Zach and Cody, which we rescued. Cody just turned 13 in March, and Zach's gonna be 12 next month. So they are older dogs, but they do love traveling. They love living everywhere that we have. When we started the RV life, we started off in Orlando because we love Disney. We were there for a few months, then we went to South Carolina for about 4 months. Then we went back to Florida for a while.
No, then we went to Tennessee.
Oh, just kidding. Then we went to Tennessee.
Yeah, for like 7 months.
Then we went back to Orlando for 5 months. Then went back to Tennessee for a year. And then now we're here in New Hampshire.
That was a lot.
Yeah.
Did you get all that?
Yeah.
But we got lots more traveling coming up soon. Hopefully. We gotta figure out our next spot.
Yeah.
So our work camping job here is from May to October. So after October, we gotta figure out
where we're going.
Where we're going next.
Which we need to figure out soon because we've already been here over a month. So
time flies.
Time it flies.
Crazy.
And if you don't know what work camping is, it's when you work at a campground and you get your site included. And some even offer pay on top of that, which we do receive here in New Hampshire. Yeah.
Love it.
All right.
We got cheese.
Getting crispy on the edges.
I
I like crispy edges.
Yummy.
I'm gonna let them just rest for just a couple minutes so they're not super hot when we put them on the salad because you don't want. Nobody likes wilted salad.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna chop them up and we'll be ready to eat. I'm hungry.
We just remembered to turn our lights on.
Yeah, aren't they gorgeous?
They are gorgeous. Love it. I love our spot here. Fire's still going strong. But
We're so cute.
we are the cutest.
Look at this fire.
She's pretty.
And it feels nice because it's getting pretty cool out here. So the fire is
Eating
nice.
a piece of bacon. And the rocks, the heat like reflects off the rocks.
Yeah, so
you
it
can,
creates,
like, feel it, like a little more, I feel like.
It feels so nice. And I got our salads all bowled up. So we're ready to eat. You hungry?
I'm hungry.
Let's do it.
Alright, we got a Fireside salad. What you got in there, Erin?
We have some butter lettuce mix. And then the sauteed onions and mushrooms. Some shredded cheddar cheese. The burger chopped up. And some bacon on the top. And then this is some Thousand Island dressing.
So it's like a Big Mac.
Yeah, it kind of is what I'm going for.
I'm using light. Sorry.
But with the sauteed onions and mushrooms, kind of takes on another level. I love it.
Try it out. Tell me how it is.
I'm gonna give it a mix.
The sun is setting down there on the lake. It was very pretty.
Crazy. It's set so late.
Yeah, it's
But
like
I love it.
It's like
It's just, I gotta get used to it.
8:45. You got some onion in there.
I'm missing the burger. Okay, this is a huge bite. Oh my god.
All right,
It's huge.
I'm gonna cut it right after.
Ready?
Ready, go. It is pretty good.
See what you think.
I don't think I got any lettuce. Who needs lettuce?
Right? Is that supposed to be in the salad? I don't know.
But this is a low carb meal.
Yeah. See if you like it. I don't know if you need more dressing either.
Oh, good.
It's good, right? It's satisfying. And I made big salad, so we'll be nice and full.
It's yummy. Thanks, Erin.
You're welcome. Thanks for the fire.
Oh, so. Whew, I'm full now.
Yeah, it was good.
Sitting here. We actually ate right here next to the fire.
And we had to put
Yeah, it's chilly out now. It's like 58 degrees out.
Yeah, it's chilly.
The temperature dropped quickly.
This
But
is lovely.
it's beautiful.
It's been a
You
great
see these beautifully
night.
tall trees that we have here. I love it.
And I know we've information dumped on you earlier. So if you have any questions about anything that we said or anything that you want to know, leave a comment below and we might do like a Q&A kind of thing moving forward while we're here in New Hampshire. So leave a comment if you have any questions about our lifestyle or our friendship or the dogs or food I make, whatever you want.
Why did we choose full-time RV life?
That's a good question. And it's complicated too because there's a lot of reasons, but overall we've decided that we rather do things than have things and see more of the country because you get, you grow up in one place, you kind of tend to stay there, and we wanted to see more of the country, especially, we're the age now, we're both single, we don't have any children, we're only responsible for ourselves and the dogs, so why not?
Why not? So we sacrificed by living in a tiny RV, which is not bad. We have everything we need in there. Place to sleep.
That's my bedroom right up there above the cab, up there. And Kim's is in the back. So and we have our own spaces.
Cody, get out of the leaves.
He is all in the leaves right now.
Oh, Jesus. Anyways, but yeah, we have everything we need in there. Bathroom, kitchen, place to sleep, place to sit and watch TV. So literally everything we need. And it doesn't take a long time to clean like a house does. It's a lot smaller.
It can get messy super quick.
Yes.
But then you can clean it up super quick.
So yeah, that's why we do this life.
Yeah.
We want to travel, and yeah.
And this is our first time we're camping, and we've really enjoyed it as well. First time in New Hampshire, we've enjoyed that as well. We're going to do more things in the area too. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe, hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of the fun. We're going to have fun. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight.
We had a great time. Thanks for cooking me dinner.
You're welcome. We appreciate you all taking time out of your day to hang out with us. Thanks for making a great fire, Kim. And make sure y'all stay tuned because we're going to do a lot of fun things here in the New England area.
I know. We want to go to Boston.
Yep.
We're going to go to Portland.
White Mountains.
A lot of stuff we're going to go.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
All right, guys. Have a good night.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, y'all.